upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. In today's video, I am doing a collaboration video with a company called Hairphocas. You can get them on Amazon, and I will include all the clips of me sort of getting this wig together. It says it's a short bob and it's in sort of an ashy blonde color. I'll find all the specifics and put that down below. This is a full cap wig. There's a comb right here in the front, no combs in the back, but adjustable straps. It's a nice sized wig cap. I wouldn't say it was large per se. It's a nice sized wig cap. It's a full cap wig. I might have already said that. So the texture of this hair is probably like a light yaki. I actually really like this wig. I really do. It's a cute full cap wig. The color's a little off, I think, for me. But other than that, I really like this. I think it could be sort of versatile. You know, you could be moving this around a little bit. I really like the coloring. I like how it's sort of this frosted. And if you are a blonde or you're looking for like an actual, like a real blonde situation, this is nice because it has sort of that strawberry blonde, but it has the very light frosty blonde sort of highlights, and I think that that's cute. I put a little water and some styling cream in this, but yeah, overall it's definitely comfortable. It's very, very comfortable. Let's look at her from the back. See, I just really like how it, now this is a little bit of my real hair, just because I didn't cut it down a little bit, but it really does lay super, super flat against your head, which I think is nice, especially for a short wig like this. Yeah, I really like how this is looking. I think this, if this was in a darker color for me, I would absolutely wear this wig. For me, the only thing that I don't like is the color. I really enjoy the fit. It's a nice fit. Like I said, it's probably an average size wig cap. I would not say that it's a larger wig cap. I'll put all the pricing information down below as well, but overall, yeah, I really like this. I just love how it kind of really sits into the head right here, so it does look like it's your actual hair. I think it would be fun and easy and a quick little get together. And yeah, like you could slick it a little bit more. You could bring this out and sort of have it like down and a little bit flirty. I'm not wanting to do that like stuff when it's tucked behind my ear. That's just me. Overall, I don't have any real complaints about this wig. I would just say know that it's a full cap wig, and just make sure that you get the right color, and then also know that it's probably not large head friendly. So that's my mini little review on this wig from Hairphocas. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.